Anyways, welcome and welcome back to Keeping Up with OC, not IC.
Oh, you fancy, huh? Let me see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
It is finally maintenance week. My first appointment is my lash appointment, and tomorrow I get my nails done, and then the day after that I get my hair done. But y'all, my hair look a fucking mess. Who is this? Oh my god. But it's okay, I get it done on Thursday. And ooh, jump scare. Y'all, come with me to do this photo shoot. First I gotta get ready for it. I'm gonna get my hair done now. Look at my hair. It's okay because by the end of this video I'm gonna look like a bad bitch. But I'm tired as fuck. I'm cramping. My eyes hurt because my eyes kept opening during my lash appointment. I put some redness relief though, like them drops, so it's better now. But still, I'm over it. I'm bloated. But let's get this first out of the way, and yeah, just come with me to get my hair done. But yeah.
Welcome to Tokyo and South.
I'm coming slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Funny for your fucking ass.
She's doing her hair, so that means that we're going out.
For your fucking ass. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up on the stairs. I buy you shit because you're red, plus because you know I care. Bitch, you know you love it here. That's why you keep on coming here. The nigga can't compete, I swear. You trapping down into it, baby. I'll come and slap at 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. Funny for your fucking ass. Too honey for your fucking ass. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. 8 p.m. Text to your DM. You fucking ass. Too honey for your fucking ass. Shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up. I had to give you, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that little shit on me. Now let me blow your mind. I had to give you, it's only been a year. Now I got my foot through the door, and I ain't going nowhere. It took a while to get me, and I'm gonna take my time. Don't fight that little shit on me. Now let me blow your mind.
Heartbeat woke me up this morning. Still got the taste of you on the tip of my tongue. So beautiful when you're sleeping. amazing. If I gave you the rest of my life, I pray you would take it. Oh, oh, na, na. Oh, mama. I tried, but I can't stop thinking about you and your body, touching my body. I fucking lose it. Girl, I don't know what to do. What am I dreaming? What am I seeing? I can't believe it. It's just too good to be true. Oh, na, na. Oh, mama. Oh, na, na. Feel like I've known you forever. Can't believe that you just met me. I got hella shit.
Like it's in the answer. How much did I get a day? At least 3 times a day.
Oh, my hair looks so pretty. Oh shit, I don't got no bag, no keys, no nothing. I'm hungry as fuck. I'm gonna go get some food. I don't know what the fuck I want to eat. I really just want to eat something quick. Probably get Chick-fil-A. It's hot as fucking here. Anyways, let me go get some food and I'm gonna catch y'all later. I love my hair. I haven't tried color in so long. I used to have blonde hair for the longest. I had this color like on my real hair before too, but ever since I dyed my hair black, I haven't tried color. I lied. I had blonde hair back in November of last year, so a year ago. No, October of last year, so a year ago. But this is so cute. It's definitely different. I need to go put my contacts back in because I just can't with the fucking lashes, honestly. But yeah, this is very cute. I'm gonna go get some food though. Can I have a chicken sandwich? Just the regular one? Yeah.
And what would you like to drink?
A lemonade.
A lemonade?
Mm-hmm.
Any condiments or sauce?
Can I have ketchup and sriracha sauce?
Sweet. Anything else today?
That'll be all.
Alright, Chick-fil-A sandwich meal with a lemonade, ketchup, and sriracha for $9.71. Your hair looks really pretty, by the way.
Thank you.
Oh, gotcha.
I'm so fucking hungry. My God.
Popping this shit for real, they not having shit going on. Why? That's why they can't get a deal. Put you down. I don't give a fuck about it.
Hey, I need to put some fucking drops in my eye, bro. I hate when I'm at Chick-fil-A line and motherfuckers don't follow how the fuck they got their order. Like, oh my gosh, it's just so stupid. Like, why is you trying to get in front of me when you know damn well I was there first? But whatever. Anyways, I can't find my fucking drops, so my eyes just gonna stay like that. Fuck it. And let me just do my fucking TikToks while I'm here. I'm hungry as fuck though, goddamn. I'll be back when I'm 80, y'all, I swear. Yeah, when we was in high school at the football games, they used to have these motherfucking sandwiches. And I swear I used to just look forward to just getting me a Chick-fil-A sandwich every time I went to a basketball game. Not basketball, football game.
Wanna drink, I was pissed off. Got 100 on your hand when you reached out. Bitch, still can't race. Try you out if we shoot on the city. Fashion mother, now we got busy. It ain't no ski till we hitting no digging. Play gangster, but we know they know.
I was gonna start my makeup, but I forgot I had a squish in, so I gotta do hair. I'll be back. I don't think he's coming, so let's start. I did my eyebrows a little bit, and I didn't do my I don't need to do my mustache, but I don't feel like it. I guess I will.
Down for life, got you right there. Surrender.
I feel all the girls saying that talking shit be extra. I thought you knew for what you came. If you looked at they Tati couldn't even get my dick hard, but one of the big big slime. I would never run away, no nobody special. I feel all the girls saying that.
No one will bet
attracted to me. Chances
I don't know. We're gonna do my face and then we'll come back and see if I can fix the eyebrows or if they need to be fixed. So y'all, this is how the makeup came out. I stopped recording because I was scared. I don't do this type of makeup on myself. I barely even do full faces on myself. So at first I just did not like it. I had wiped it off, but it came out pretty okay. The other eye fucked up honestly, but we ain't gonna get to that point because you can't see it. It's hot as fuck outside. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in a minute. Yeah, nothing's crazy. I literally just got some jeans on, a tank top, and some fur boots. Y'all see my makeup? I like this color on myself. It's cute. Are we doing pictures in the studio first or outside first? Okay. I move so far in time. I move so far in time. I've been put up in night. I've been put up in bed with my face up in drive. I've been put up in time. I've been put up in night. I've been working in time. I've been put my inside. I've been just like it's just like it's just like it's just like it's just like I ain't tripping. You like make my business is today. Did you forget? Do it for life. She called it that time. I push it aside. Wonderful vibe, wonderful night. Do a try. All I get is you and I. Up in this club, bumping and grind. Who made it flood? You see the sun.
Two girls in the car, and I don't know what to do. I fell in love with you, fell in love with you. Two girls in the car, which one to choose? I fell in love with you, fell in love with you, fell in love with you. I got two girls in the car, I don't know who to choose. I fell in love with you, fell in love with you.
Face up in drive. I've been put up in time. I've been put up in night. I've been working in time. I've been put my inside. I've been just like it's 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 just like
There, so clean, just there, so clean, can't wait with it, so clean, just there, so clean.
Okay, so shoot is over. I am hungry as fuck. Hi, how you doing? Thank you. I'm hungry as fuck. I'm ready to go home. Whew, child. The shoot was really cute though, and it wasn't too long. So, well, it really was long. I can't lie. It was probably almost an hour and a half. That's too long for me. I'm so damn impatient. But, anyways. I'm ready to go home. Going to Walmart looking like this is crazy, but I need some makeup wipes so I can take this shit off my goddamn face. I don't know though. It's growing on me now. But I'm definitely taking the lips off though. I don't need to get shit from fucking Walmart. What? Makeup wipes. Literally. Ooh, I need some deodorant. Ooh, and I need some pads. See? Every time, bro. Wipes. I need Neutrogena makeup wipes. That is literally the only wipes that work, bro. Anything else be some bullshit. Thank you. Yes, I am. Thank you. Excuse me. Got everything. Time to get the fuck out because I need to stop. Y'all, I've been spending money like it's not a slow month. September is so slow for braiders, hairstylists, every fucking body. And I just need spending money. Yeah, I'm gonna take this goddamn shit off my lips. And I'm still picking more shit out. Y'all, I love ginger ale. Oh my god, and I'm thirsty right now. I spent $22. That's not too bad. I'm so tired. I really just want to lay down. Then look at my pictures. I ain't know, bitch. I ain't done but a buck 20. You hit me with that car if you fucking want to. Okay, now I can go the fuck home. And I hope my mama cook. Cause damn.